They knew each other for 3 months and they decided to get married.
Okay, to be fair,
What?
they met in February. They started dating in February. They got engaged in June, and they got married today.
I'm with you. I think I was with my wife for 5 years before we got married.
Yeah.
I think that's how long she put up with me before she put her foot down and said, "You need to ask me to marry you."
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
We were a year and a half, but at that point, I already had kids and
we were older. Like these guys, they're 20 and 21.
Oh, how long do you give this wedding? 6 months?
6 months.
That's what I just said.
Yep, 6 fucking months.
And our son, he's a friend of our son's, and my son
he's
is
like
20.
our son because he lived at our house forever. And
Right.
And I'm like, dude. When he told me this, I said, did you fall down and hit your fucking head, dude?
He did say that.
What did he say?
I did. He's
he
like,
actually said
no. Because he's that stupid. I'm like, dude, what the fuck is wrong with you, dude? You can't get out of your own fucking way. You're
In the meantime,
fucking idiot.
our son, so what's funny is, our son, that's his friend, our son and his girlfriend are the ones that introduced them.
Oh, okay.
And our son and his girlfriend have been together for 5 years. 5 years.
Right.
And Joey's like, don't get any ideas.
He's saying your son's saying that to his girlfriend.
That to his girlfriend.
Right.
They've been together for 5 years, but
don't get any. I said, there's no fucking rush on this shit.
Well, I mean, again, because they're also the same age.
Right.
You guys have plenty of time.
But him and her, at this point, I wouldn't give a fuck. But I'm like, dude, you literally knew this, 6 months?
Before you're getting married, right?
And you guys decided to get fucking married. I'm like, dude, what the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
Their first date was in February.
I literally asked him, I said, dude, you must have fell down and hit your head or something, dude, because I'm his boss, and also he lived with us for a bit and all this shit, and he's been my son's friend forever, so he's just part of the family or whatever.
Right.
But, I'm like, dude, what the fuck is wrong with you, dude?
Whatever, honestly.
And he married a girl that's other half the family's Spanish, Mexican.
Hispanic.
Right.
Whatever. She's actually keeps him in line. And he needs
but
that.
I'm just telling you. Oh, yeah, she did a good job when he got his DUI right after we found out they're getting married.
Oh, jeez.
Okay, but he didn't.
And then he fucking. Oh, you're doing what I do. And my dude, do you like that shit?
Oh, absolutely.
It's kind of uncomfortable to me.
So are you on a version 3 computer?
I just got a brand new 2025 F-150. It's a hybrid.
Oh, you're on the Blues Cruise.
I don't know.
Yeah, you're on the Blues Cruise.
He doesn't know. You're speaking Greek to him. He
Yeah.
Oh, gotcha.
know.
So
you have a Ford. You have a Ford.
Yes.
Yeah, I only tried it twice on the freeway, and then you put your turn signal on, and the car goes over by itself. I'm like, holy fucking shit.
Well, then your mind is going to be blown when we get to this turn up here, because I'm not going to turn.
He's literally don't have his hands on the wheel at all.
He's going to start doing a dance routine for us.
But my truck feels like it kind of wavers a little bit.
Right.
If I'm
Kind of a little.
If I'm drunk and I put that on, I'm going to look like I'm drunk. You know what I mean? Every now and then it'll show the red or the orange on each side when you get close to the lines. Then it'll bump me back. And I'm like,
so it's doing a little this, kind of little.
Yeah, a little bit, dude. I'm like, that ain't going to work.
Yeah, this car wants dead center. It's dead center.
Yeah,
so
it looks like it.
It's
That's craziness.
It's gonna turn on the signal probably right in here is where the signal's gonna go on.
So did this come with the car, or is this
no? You have to buy it. You have to buy it. So signal's on now. So it just turned on the signal.
What do you mean you had to buy it?
The software. You have to buy the software. So
for all Teslas?
Yeah, the software is available. So this is the car, by the way.
Yeah, the car just did all that shit.
Yeah.
It's
it's $100 a month or an $8,000 one-time purchase.
Oh.
For the car to do this.
Okay. So what the fuck do we need you for? Why can't we just have your car?
I pushed the button. I'm George Jetson. I pushed the button, and I had to buy it. So I figure.
Did you do $8,000 or $100?
I bought it for $6,000 back in 2019.
No. Did you do for this?
Yeah, he's $8,000.
Oh yeah, I bought it for $6,000 back in 2019.
Oh.
I got it back in 2019.
What happens when we get up to these squiggly lines on the road?
I'm telling you right now. Look at his hands.
There we go.
fucking car slows down, it fucking drives. My truck does the same thing and it freaks me the fuck out, dude.
All this is doing is encouraging people to buy expensive cars and then get in there and push the button and drive drunk.
Right. Here's what I'll say about that. Can the car get you from point A to point B with you intoxicated without you getting a DUI? Odds are very, very high. Okay, like it should be able to do it because I mean it's done this entire trip, right?
Right.
It's fucking not even steering.
I know. He's talking with his hands.
Just having a conversation here. So,
Oh,
but
my
the
God.
thing is when the car makes a mistake, because it will make a mistake. Like it's not perfect yet, but it's getting really, really good. So it's gonna wait for this Jeep. It's gonna wait for that car, make sure it's all good, and then it's still going. Right?
Freaking me the fuck out.
You really need to have your faculties with you when it makes that mistake.
Right.
And
So,
that's, yeah.
the other day I was telling my wife, my truck, I got the backup screen with
Right.
60 degrees over top, the whole fucking
Yeah,
9
bird's
yards.
eye view, right.
Yeah. And I can see everything, and I'm backing up into my parking lot next to a trailer. I'm not even fucking close, and all of a sudden it just fucking
Starts
slammed the
beeping
brakes
and
on.
braking,
Well,
yeah.
it beeped and then it slammed on the brakes. I'm
Oh,
like,
jeez.
what the fuck?
You're like, we're not even close.
Yeah, I'm like, can that happen if I'm driving down the highway and nothing happens and you decide to fucking just hit the skids?
Right.
I was fucking like, yeah, that made me a little more leery.
Little nervous, yeah.
Yeah.
I get that for sure.
Dude, this is cracking me up. You drove us here all the way with no hands on the steering.
I am a little disappointed in the dance routine I got out
Oh,
of the
here,
deal,
we'll try to get,
but-
we'll do a little flossing from Fortnite, you know?
Yeah.
We'll do a Fortnite
So why
floss on you.
doesn't yours tell you have to have your hands on the wheel? I heard
So
some
there's
do.
a camera right here
Yeah.
monitoring my eyes to make sure that I'm paying attention to the road.
Oh,
Dude,
as long as you're not
that's
asleep.
And as long as you're paying
Crazy
attention to the
shit.
road, then, yep, that's all that matters.
Because mine didn't ever do it, and then one time I put it on that,
Mm-hmm.
and I took my hands off the wheel, and it started telling
And it
me I had
goes,
to
put your
my-
hands on the wheel.
Yeah, put my hands on the wheel. I'm like, what the fuck? That never happened before.
That's insane.
There we go.
Yeah, look, see, he's doing some jazz hands.
Jazz hands.
I love it.
Here we go.
Yeah, it'll
Okay.
turn itself.
Well,
See
I'm
that?
going to give you a really good tip, but I want you to give it to this car.
Oh, I absolutely. The car
Okay.
kit here gets all the
Oh,
money.
dude,
Okay.
they asked to buy batteries for this motherfucker.
It's 15 grand. And I'm probably about, well, I'm gonna hit the warranty in January. So the warranty's up. Oh, you made a mistake. This is what you got to tip me for. Is I had to do this part.
Now the car's out and you're in. Okay.
But with your batteries, can you warranty them through those?
The new batteries I buy will come with a new
No,
warranty.
but I'm saying, can you buy like a car
Extended
shields
warranty?
or-
I don't know.
Car shields or any of that.
Yeah,
shit?
I don't know. I haven't ever looked into it because they're warranted for 125 automatically, but I'm going to hit that in probably January because I'm at 107,000 miles so far.
Yeah.
But they're averaging 200K, so I'm not too worried about it because I'm
I
just
know,
setting
it's
aside
fucking
money for that.
expensive when you have to do
Yeah.
it.
Yep, for sure,
All right,
sure.
brother.
All right, my man.
Thank
Enjoy
you.
your night, guys.
You